Hi everyone, please take a look at this presentation slide. These slides are generated by ChatGPT. I'll show you exactly how to generate PowerPoint slide by using ChatGPT in no time. First, open ChatGPT and upload a PDF file. This time I'm using my own ebook, but you can upload anything you want, and you can even type in just a simple prompt like please create a presentation slide about blah blah blah. So you can create any presentation slide according to your preference. So after you upload the PDF file, just type in like this. It'll take some time to generate the presentation slide, so I won't show you the exact process. So I just show you the prompt, because it takes so much time to generate everything. So I created this presentation slide beforehand. So I typed in the prompt like, please summarize the content of this PDF and create a PowerPoint slides for 5 pages in English. So this is what ChatGPT generates. It's not that bad. And then if this presentation slide is not compatible with PowerPoint, just type in another prompt like please export the content as a PPTX files, and then click on this download button, and once you download it, simply just open the PowerPoint slide, and this is what it looks like. So sometimes it generates as a plain slides. If that's the case, just go up to the design tab here and simply click on it. So this time there is no suggestion for the presentation slide design because it's already designed well. But sometimes there are some bunch of the design option you can choose from. So if that's the case, just simply click the one you want. And that's it. This is how you generate a presentation slide by using ChatGPT. Thanks for watching.